How to link pages in HTML. How to link pages in HTML. Okay. So we have a tag. Tag name is called a small a and e tag open and close. Okay. E tag open and close. It's a dependent tag. It's a dependent tag. It is a dependent tag. Now inside that there is a property called href. href. So the technical name is called anchor tag. Anchor. Anchor. Yeah, anchor. 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 The technical word is called anchor tag, but developers call it AHREF. Okay, anchor tag most people will not say it's AHREF. Okay, or people will say A tag. E is the tag name, href is the property. Inside this, you are going to give the file name. Like suppose next file name.html. Next file name.html. And we can write here text to click. Text to click. That become one syntax. Now example if you want, let's write here one small example related to that. E is the tag name. href is the attribute name. We can say call login is the file name. And the text we have here called go to login. Go to login is the this one. A href equal to login.html go to login. Right now we found like when we click on go to login, it will redirect to the next page. That is called login.html. It will redirect to the next page that is called login.html. Login.html. Now to make an example for this, you are going to create two files. One file 1.html and one more file 2.html. Okay. In the current folder where you are creating the files, there you need to create two files, 1.html and one more file as a 2.html. .html and 2.html. Create these two files in your folder. Okay, so 1.html. One more file 2.html. Both should be in the same folder. .html. File extension, you must write .html. Manually, we have to write one.html, two.html. .html, you have to add manually, else it will become as a text file. If you not add as a .html, it will become as a text file. Right, let's go ahead. We are going to work under the one.html file. You can start from HTML, then follow the body tag. Okay, follow the body tag. Under the body tag, you will follow one h1 tag, and under the h1 tag, you will add welcome page 1. Welcome page 1. Come below, use the p tag. P tag, it used to display the text data in web page. Anything, ABCD we can write. Hit the BR. And one day I have guided you how to copy and paste the line. Suppose this line we want to copy and paste. Control plus D. You keep your cursor here in the last, right? And press Control and D. Control and D. Control and D together. Control and D once we press, then Control and D once we press, then this line will get copy paste. So Control D, and Control D. Other editor, if anyone is, copy paste happens. Okay, we'll guide you. Now this line you want to copy paste. So cursor is there at last. Control and D. That will increase your this one, the speed. You will not have to copy paste. You will not do so many mistakes. Copy paste. Okay, so Control D we did. Now come down after that. Write a HR tag here. HR color equal to green, and size equal to 5. So what is happening here? It is going to create a green line from the beginning to last, from the beginning of the screen to end of the screen, horizontal, left to right. And the color will be of 5 pixel. The line will be 5 pixel. Thickness of the line will be 5 pixel. Okay, we'll check once. Yeah. Yes, go ahead. Hello. Okay, yeah, tell me. Okay, wait for some time. Some other person will call to your number. Okay, 10-15 minutes. Okay, hope you have written. Now Check this file how it look. Run the page. How to run? We need to go to the where? View menu. View menu or directly from the folder double click it will come. Okay, so go to the view menu and we have option here view current file in where any browser, whichever the browser you have in your system, you can select it. I have Chrome, I selected the Chrome. So for me, some text appear and below the text, there is a line called green. And the thickness of this line is 5 pixels. This is called horizontal rule. From beginning to last, it will come and it will cover the full screen. It's called a block level tag. Block level tag. Okay. Find and reduce one step. Now let's come here. After this, the page 1 should link to the page 2. From the page 1, we should be able to go to the page 2. So for that, href and which page you want to go? You want to go to the 2.html. You will write here 2.html. Okay, and write here called go next. Go next. Go next. 2.html and you will write here called go next. Okay, ready? Next, after that, check the page and see you got one hyperlink. A becomes a tag name, href becomes a attribute, and 2 becomes the 2.html becomes a file name where you want to redirect, and go to next. Go next becomes a hyperlink where the user is going to click. Look at here what it says like this. Now you got a link on go next. Your page is running. Hope is running for everyone. Instead of any file name, which file you have adjust? What he asking, what is the meaning of href? Here I told here same thing, no? Here, look at here. href, look at this line. In href, what you are passing? Name of the next file where you want to go. So same thing we wrote here. What we wrote? We wrote when we click on go next, where it will go. It will go to the, you are not writing some Patnayak. What is the name? Name, no, not Patnayak, Swastik. Okay. HR is showing here directly. What is the meaning of HR? HR, the meaning is this one. It brings a line. href, both are different. Don't mix together. HR and href, both are different. HR will create a line. href will link the page. Okay. Hope the page is ready. Now come to the next part. Or if you want to write some theory, go here. Okay. Write here. But randomly here, there will not work out. You will be confused. First create this file, run that, then I'll guide you the single line theory. Now go to the page 2.html. In page 2.html, we have to write a link. From there, we can redirect to where? Page 1. Go to next. When we click in the browser, it will redirect to the next page. That is called which page? Page 2. Page 2 is empty as of now. Because of that, it's not displaying anything. Go to the page 2.html file. Go to the page 2.html file. In 2.html file, we can write similar HTML code. From there, we can redirect to the first page. Right here one H1. H1. It is called again welcome to page 2. Welcome page 2. Welcome page 2. Welcome page 2. What page 2 will do? Write a paragraph here. Inside the paragraph, add some text. One line. Save line. Copy paste 3-4 times. Something like this. This line one you can copy and paste or press Ctrl D. Ctrl D. All will go to the. All will become duplicate. Whichever the line you want to copy, click there and press Ctrl D. Click there and press Ctrl D. Once you press Ctrl D, after paragraph, write the new HREF or maybe HR tag you can write again here. HR is the tag name. Color will help you to set the color. Size will help you to change the thickness of the line. Suppose 20. So 20 pixel red color line will come from where to where? Beginning to last. Again from here you are going to return back to the main page. Saying is A HREF. Under the E tag, you are going to set the path. Using which tag? HREF. Where we want to go now? 1.html. 1 from page 1 we get to the 2. From 2 we will go back to the 1. We can write here called go back. Or maybe write back to 1. Back to 1. Back to 1. Check now from page 1 to 2, from page 2 to 1. Both links are working. From page number 1, it should be able to redirect to the 2, and from 2, it should be able to redirect to the 1. Check now. Page number 2, how that looks. Page number 2 is coming in. Thickness is how much? Check spelling. See, page 1 to page 2, page 2 to page 1. Let me know in the chat. Yes, no. Okay. Cool. So for 10-12 people works. Why not remaining people? Should work for all, right? Write it. So writing is the best practice for developer. A small example, big example. We should try everything. Okay. Finger should understand how to write the HTML code. So for developer to write the HTML code, no need of the brain. Your finger should understand, remember all the tags name and their property. Automatically, finger should start writing according to instruction, according to need. Okay. Now we'll make a small note and then we'll come back to the where next example. So we have which tag we use. Tag name is called A and href is the name of the property. Where what we are giving? We are giving one.html. Suppose from here after clicking on that you want to go to the Google. So we will write http://www.google.com. If you want to go to the LinkedIn, you will write here https://www.linkedin.com. What will happen? From here it will redirect to where? Directly LinkedIn. Okay. Like link is what link you have generated on internet till date, whichever the website you have gone through, where and where you have clicked, 100% guarantee. Everywhere we use only one tag that is called A tag. Okay. And it has only one property that is called href. Sometime you will find on internet when you click on the link, new tab will open. Sometime pop-up window will open. Sometime blank tab will open. Naukri.com, if you have gone through, you may have updated your profile in Naukri. You will see when the job, if you search the list of the job, click any job, it will open a new tab. Click on any job, it will open a new tab. You can try today. If you have not seen that, you can try today. What you will do? You will open the Naukri.com, search anything, UI developer job. Lot of list will come. In that, click on any job. It will open a new tab. That is the game of this tag only. Which tag? A tag. It has property called target. Okay, using target property, we can open new tab, new window, self and all. We are going to make a note of that. Okay. But implementation will do after some days once you become little more confident. Come. Okay, so 1 and 2 is working. Now what you are going to write here? What are the properties we have written for A tag? We have written only one property called href. Okay. We have one more property that is called target. T-A-R-G-E-T, target. Okay, target. Target, what is that? When you click on the link, new tab should open. When you click on the link, blank tab should open. Okay, those are going to come under the target. It is of 7 types, but out of 7, 6 are in use, 1 is not in use. Okay, we will make a note. Next, after that, one more property there called title. 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 This title tag is required, title attribute is required for digital marketing. Okay, for digital marketing, it is compulsory. Without this title tag, your Google will say one error in your page. It will show the warning message saying like in your page there is one hyperlink, but for hyperlink there is no any title. Okay, so that hyperlink look like is an invalid hyperlink, right? So come down and make a note here. Sir. Tell me, sir. Page not working. What is your file name? File name is same or something else here? It's not like one in D drive and one in desktop. Give me the file. Run this side. Run it. The file name is called one.html. Another one is click on to.html. What we are doing here? After 20. Okay, now demo code is ready. You can go to the next one. Okay, now let's go here. Write the list of property. Inside that, A. What is the A? You can write here. It is tag name. What is the use of that? Used to create link. Link. Second line, you write href. Href. Name of, it is name of attribute. It is name of attribute. ATTRIBUT. Attribute. It's a name of attribute in name of attribute used to set path for next file. Path meaning, you understand? Path meaning is what? The location. Okay, it used to set the path for next file. It used to set the location for next file. Where is the next file? Now after that, target. First write target. Target. Okay. Target, like it's, you can say it is the name of attribute only. It used to set. It used to set used to set location. It used to set the location for next file. It used to set the location for next file to be open. To be open here, what is representing? It's representing like when you click on a hyperlink, what will happen? It will go for the next file. When it will go to the next file, where the next file will open? As a new tab, blank tab, or something, what is. So that is called target. It used to set the location for next file. To be open, I have applied. That meaning where the next file will open. For that we have certain, we will be writing title. This is what? Title. It is for digital marketing. Digital, MARKET. It is for digital marketing. Okay, it is for digital marketing. Now come under the target. Okay, under the target section you can write it is of 7 types. It is of 7 types. Okay. There it is of 7 types. What are those? Target equal to underscore new. target equal to underscore blank, target equal to underscore self underscore blank underscore self, target equal to underscore parent, target equal to underscore child, target equal to underscore top. Make a note of this. We will be implementing not today only, in coming days. बताया थे आपको, थोड़ा हम आपको कॉल करते हैं 2 बजे के लगभग, ठीक है? हाँ ठीक है, अभी हम आए क्लास में खत्म करूँगा। So now we are clear with the AHREF. A is what? Tag name. Through HREF, what you did? You set the path. Next target, what it will do? When we click on link, where the next file will open? That is going to discuss next once we come under the frame set. Okay, so HREF till here only we understood HREF, target and title later. Later in the sense before frame set. Before frame set, we will see what is that title and that. Now today you can see you are in your browser. In your browser, when you are clicking on hyperlink, you have 2 hyperlink. Both page have 1 hyperlink. When you click on link, what is happening? It is going to the next page. Now next page, where it is opening? In the same tab or new tab? No.
Same tab, new page.
Let them to write it, okay? I'll guide you. When we click on go next, it's not open a new tab. In the same tab, the next page will appear. Hope you completed this part. Okay, when we click on go next, the next page will appear in the same window. So here, how many type of target we have? 7 types of target here. 2, 4, 6 we have written. What is missing? New, blank, self, parent, child, top. One more is there. Underscore new, underscore blank, underscore self, underscore parent, underscore child, underscore top. Okay, maybe it will come back in mind in some time. Okay, now let's come to the browser. We have written here one target equal to self. Okay. Now target equal to self. Go here in the browser. You can see this is the page 2. 2.html is open. Content is coming. When I click here, other tab, let me close first. Other tabs are closed. When I click on go back to 1, you can see the page number 1 open here. Again, when I click go next, page number 2 open here. But how many tabs are there? Only 1 tab. In the same tab, the content is getting replaced, right? So in current window only, content is getting replaced. In current window only, the content is getting replaced. That is this one. Target equal to self. Target equal to self. Then you will ask, we have not written anywhere target equal to self. How it is happening? So target equal to self is the default target. If you will not mention any target, then what will be the default target? Self. Means the next page will open within the same window. Okay, same tab. Let me go here under the page 1 file. You can also go to the page 1 file. In one file, you have not written as of now target. Your page is coming and going. Both pages are getting open. In the page 1, you write again target equal to underscore self and check any difference. Target equal to underscore self, run the page, click on go next, click on go back. Any difference or no difference? No difference. That meaning without target also it was working same. Now we have added the target as a self, then difference, no difference, right? So default target is, what is the default target? As a self. Default target is self. If you not add the if you not add the target, it will work as a self only. If you add also, then also it will work like as a self only. But remaining others are different. Underscore blank, underscore name, and remaining are different. Okay. So we'll not go till that level. Somewhere it will lead to the confusion. We will implement in few days. Now, what is the use of the target property? Target property will help you to set the location of the file. The file will open, but where it will open? Within the same tab or somewhere else. Okay. Let's come to the developer guide again. Okay. If you want to implement it, let's see once. Else we will say where the location, how it is working. Let me go here. Under the page 1, what we have written as of now? Underscore self, right? Underscore self we have written. Underscore self, let's replace by underscore blank. Underscore BLANK. Underscore blank. Underscore self replaced by underscore blank. Save your file, run the one.html, click on the link. You will not click on the second page. Okay, only you are going to click in which page? First page only. Tab will open, new tab will open. You will not touch the new tab. You will always click in which page? First page. So add the blank, target is a blank, then I'll guide you in the browser what is happening. Remember when we have added underscore self, what was happening? It was opening within the same window. Now when you have added the target equal to underscore blank, let me come to the browser. So this is my page 1. I will reload my page. What is the target? Underscore blank. Let's click here. A new tab open. In the new tab will not touch anything. I will go to the first page. Again I will click here. One more tab got open. In the second tab will not touch anything. In the first page only, I will go and click here. So total how many times clicked? 3 times. Tab is open how many times? 3 times. So you understood underscore self and underscore blank. Underscore self what was doing? Next page was coming in the same tab. It was not opening the tab again and again. Now underscore blank we have added. So what is happened? It's opening the new tab again and again. So till here let it be, else you will go to the confusion part. Okay. So underscore self meaning is what? Next page will open in the same tab. Underscore blank meaning is what? Next page will open in the new tab. If you click 5 times, the next page will open in the new tab, new tab, new tab. Okay. So 2 concepts, let's keep in mind. 6 types, 7 types are there. So that user defined. 6 we have written here. 6 we have written already. So these all are the predefined. These all are predefined, not made by us. HTML has given the feature you can create your own target also. So let's write at last target equal to user defined. User defined. Target equal to user defined. That meaning it is anything we can create our own. When we are going to learn that? Under the frame set. This all what you have written, this all we are going to understand under the frame set. We have a topic called frame set. Inside that we will be learning when we click a link, page should open where? New window or new tab or something. But since the part of hyperlink, you got a idea of underscore self meaning is what? Same tab. Next page will open in the same tab. Underscore blank meaning is what? Next page will open in the new tab. Every time, whenever we click, it open the new tab. Today you will open the naukri.com, you will search some job, and if you click on the link, you will find it's open. Every click, it's open the new tab. Okay, that will be called as what? Target equal to blank. Let me ask the question from people. So hope you are written the notes. This line is written. Target equal to user defined. Okay, I will come to the browser now and just will give you one live example from internet running website. NAU Naukri.com. Okay, Naukri.com. Let me search here. Maybe anything. UI developer. UI developer. Okay, I search. Location assume Bangalore. Search it. Okay. Now based on our query, based on our input, lot of records will come. Based on our input, you will see so many search results came. Okay. Now let's go and see carefully. These all are hyperlink. These all are hyperlink. The first job, urgent hiring for UI developer. I clicked here. New tab open.
Yeah.
So what is that?
Black.
Underscore blank.
Blank.
Yes, it's underscore blank. Okay. Let's go here. Again click. Python design को UI developer. Click again. One more tab open. So this is called underscore blank. Correct?
Blank.
So hope you are clear, right? Whenever on internet we click on any link, if it's open the new tab, it will be called as a blank. Target is a blank. Now let me go to the first page. In the first page only, I will click on this link. I will click on this link, maybe companies in that about companies. That also open a new tab. When I went here, recruiter, browse all recruiter, that also open a new tab. So what is happening? Everywhere they are given the target equal to blank. So it's open a new tab, new tab. Let me come to the some other website, maybe our website, InfoCampus website. Is something else is written here? After going to this website, let me go here and click on the links. See carefully. You saw the Naukri.com. Wherever I click, what was happening? It was opening the new tab, new tab, new tab. That is called as what? Target is a blank. In InfoCampus page I went, I click on the link. Page open, new page. So what is this? Target equal to?
Self.
Let me go to this one. See, one page you are not able to identify. Now second page I click. So what is this? Target equal to?
Underscore
Self.
All are sure? Yes, no? When I click here on the link, you saw the next page is coming. But where it is coming? In the same tab or new tab?
Same thing.
Tab, right? Target equal to self. Naukri.com you saw here, still open. Let me go and click here. I click on software developer. One new tab open. Again, I will go here. Click on one more tab. Front-end developer. One more tab got open. Now, while browsing the web pages on internet, you will browse like a user only, but your mind will work like a developer. Whenever you click anywhere, and if open the new tab, then we will feel like, oh, it's a target equal to blank. And when somewhere and the page will appear in the same tab, then we'll feel, oh, target equal to cell. Then what is the target? Default target is what? Only. If you
Self.
know any target, default will be self itself. Okay. So hope that point is clear. See, there is a many inside. You saw here, how many are there? 7 are there. Now, if I write the single line definition and implement all, you will be confused somewhere. Okay. So now you remember two. Which one? Underscore self and underscore blank. Okay. Blank and new both look similar, but there is some difference. But that we are not going to implement now. We will be implementing this all before frame set. We have a topic to learn called frame set. Inside the frame set, we have a game of this one only, target set. Okay. So there we will create our own target. Before creating our own target, we will understand this all 6. Okay. And then we'll make a single line notes. Okay. After that, we'll go to the user defined target and then we'll compare from internet. Oh, here I use look like similar. Here I use look like similar. Okay. So come next. So till here, we'll leave it. Go for the next now. Okay. So hyperlink we created. Now next what we are going to learn? We are going to learn. So next we are going to learn that is called table. Table. When we want to display some data on internet, so the data will be like there will be bulk data also, there may be one data also, one user details also, there will be bulk user details also, right? So we have a concept called table where we can display the details of product or user or item or anything in the form of row and columns. Okay, so here also we have a concept of row column. It will be called TH and DD, something, right? Now come. The table we can implement using two ways. There is a two structure of table. One structure according to HTML4, another structure according to HTML5. Okay, so that table is not based on JavaScript, so we can implement and we can see in HTML4 how that look and in HTML5 how that look, and in which scenario we should follow the HTML4 table and in which condition we should follow the HTML5 table. Okay, both will be clear for you. So let's write here a table. Okay, table. Under the table, first you write the structure of table. First structure of table. First structure of table. We can add here second structure of table also as a headline. So it represents, yes, we can learn the table using two methods. We can learn the table using two methods. Okay, go next. So we can write here table 1 structure. What is that? Okay. Double line will represent the parent and single line will represent the child. Okay. Parent, okay. Not parent, child, you can say. Like, suppose I wrote college a table here. Table have two sub-level elements. Table have two sub-elements. Element meaning is what? Element, what is the word you have in the mind? Element, what you call element? No. In HTML, whichever the tags we are using, what tag we have used as of now? HR, E tag, paragraph, correct? H1, H2, correct? PR. So all the HTML tags are called a tag in HTML. In HTML, what we are learning as of now, those are called a tags. But in future, what you have to do, the HTML tags you have to integrate with CSS. Like suppose H1, maybe HR, maybe hyperlink, you have to integrate with the CSS. So in the term of CSS, hope you are on the track. In the term of CSS, all the HTML tags are called as a selector. What is called? Selector. Okay. Like suppose we have written called table tag. So in the term of HTML, it's called as a table. Sorry, it's called as a tag. But in the term of CSS, it's called as a selector. Okay. You have written here called E tag. Here A is the tag name. We have written here A is the tag name. Where? In the HTML. But the same thing A only in CSS is not called a tag. It's called as a selector. Okay. So when you read some theory from internet, when you go through W3 and all, these words people will be using. Which word? Selector. Okay. So we are clear. All the tags are called as a tag in HTML, whereas all the tags are called as a selector in CSS. Now, only HTML CSS is not sufficient. You have to merge with the JavaScript also. Correct? So in the term of JavaScript, all the HTML tags are called as a element. All the HTML tags are called as what? Element. Where? Under the JavaScript. So we got the word. What are the words? Tag, selector, and then element. In JavaScript, there will be conflict. Element means the value of array also. There will be concept of array. Inside the array, whichever the value is stored, that is also called element. But all the HTML tags are also called as a element. Where? Under the JavaScript. So let it be 3 words again. Okay. When you read from internet, when you read on W3 here, there, most of the people will not write the as a tag. They'll write as a element. Even they'll not use the selector. They will use as a element. Okay. If you go through the YouTube videos, the people will use most of the time they will call as a element. Most of the time they will not use which one called tag. Okay. So don't be confused. Wherever the term called as a element, if you are reading something and people is trying to explain something HTML related, if element words are used, then that represent to what? HTML tag itself. Okay. So table is the main element. Table become as a main element. And the table have 2 sub element. Now element meaning is what? Tag. We can say here sub tag also, but these words look like mix up. Once we say sub element, then what represent? Yes, inside there is a 2 children. Okay. So the 2 sub element we have, what is that? One is called caption. Caption. And another one is called TR. Caption will get end there itself, so that I have written the single line arrow key. TR will continue next, so that I have written the double arrow key. Okay. TR you can write as a table row. TR is called as a table row. Okay. Now the TR will continue further. TR have 2 sub element. What are that? One is called TR has 2 sub element. One is called TH, table heading. Table heading. And it has one more element that is called TD, table data. Table data. Table data. Table data. Now, inside the table, how many tags you found? To complete the table first structure, how many tags we found? One tag called as a table. Second tag is called as a caption. The third one is called as a TR. fourth one is called as a TH, and fifth one is called as a TD. So if we understand the sequence of this 5 tag, then easily you can create a table. Okay. In that, even the keywords are also meaningful. T head, meaning is what? Table heading. Somewhere you want to display the heading, you can use the T head. Data you want to give, because one will be heading and second will be data. So for data we will use the TD, and for heading we will use the TH. And we have already concept of row and column. Row meaning is what? One line. Column meaning is what? Again line only, but the sequence is different. Horizontal will call it a row and vertical will be called a column. Okay. So here in the term of HTML, the vertical one will be called as a TH and TD. The vertical what you are talking, top to bottom, that is called as a TH and TD. And left to right, that will be called as a TR. Okay, TR means what? Table row, left to right, horizontal. Okay, that is called complete one row. Okay, and top to bottom, that is called what? TH and TD. TH also we can use, TD also. Now we are going to intersect both. Okay, then we are
Either TH or TD, you need to implement only one.
both we can implement. Okay, both not one place, both are different place according to name. Where you want to keep a label mobile number, you will use the TH, and where you will display the 10-digit number, there you will use the TD. Okay, heading will be mobile number and the data will be what? 10-digit number. So that way we are going to follow. But remember, TH and TD is the part of TR. You cannot write TH and TD without TR, and TR always come with a table. Okay, without table we cannot write the TR, and without TR we cannot write the TH and TD. It should be like that. Okay, if you follow the TR without table, that meaning your document structure is not well formed. Okay, if you follow the table inside the a TR inside the table, that meaning your document is proper formed. Document structure is proper formed. Okay. So hope you clear how many tags? 5 tags. One is called table, caption, TR, TH, and TD. That is the structure. Same hierarchy we are going to follow. Okay. Now add some properties also, so that while creating the table, it will be helpful to understand. Okay. Right here. List of property. List of property in table, TR, TH, and TD. Okay, list of property in table, TR, TH, and TD. Property and attribute, both are similar words. You can use property also, and you can use as a attribute also. Attribute also represent the same thing. Property also represent the same thing. Sometime I write attribute, sometime I write as a property, but both are same things. Now suppose if you want to understand the attribute or maybe property value, what is that? Suppose I am using a laptop. When we say only laptop, then which laptop? All the laptop. Now if suppose someone say name of the laptop, then I'll say HP. That will point to the which one? HP laptop. So name become as a property and HP become as a value. HP laptop become as a value. When we say the color, so color become the property and my laptop is black, so black become as a value. Similar way, when you say size, a screen size become as a property and 20-inch become as a value. When we say the model become as a property, 2018 is the value. Right? When someone will ask your name, so your name become as a property and Ganesh become as a value. People will ask your height, so height become as a property and 5 feet become as a value. People will ask your education, so education become as a property and MCA become as a value. Right? So same way, what the table you have created, table is a table only, but table align. Where? Left, right, or center. Background color, red, green, or blue. Right? Those are called what? Property value, property value. Let's write one property called align. Okay, ALIGN. Align. Align is a property. It has a value called. You can also you are using already in day-to-day life. Call it align, or you can say alignment. So here the property name is called align. It has the first value called left. One more value is called center, and one more value called as a right. Okay, RIGST. Center spelling is little different. You can check it. Okay. Next, after that, we have a table called border. Border is a property. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number will be as a value. Next, apply one more call. Cell padding will be the property and number will be the value. Now, what is this? Border you can write here to apply border. To apply border. Now, where inside, outside, that is the next matter. Cell padding, what it will do? It apply a space inside TH and TD. Through example, only you will understand how it is going to apply this. So let it be three property. Based on this three property, we will create one example and we'll understand how that look like. Okay. So you will write here the example called table1.html. Write this three property and create a file. Give the file name called table1.html. Okay. Hope ready. Create the file table1.html. So in table, how many tags? 5 tags. What are that? Table, caption, tr, th, and td. That's all. Based on the remaining property, we can change the look. So let's come. Table1.html file. Hope we have created. Okay. Under the table1.html file, start from HTML. Follow the HTML. Okay. Follow the body. We can open a table tab, close in. Yes. You can write here a table, come inside, follow a caption tag. Caption tag. So inside the table, which one is the first? Caption. Second is called TR. Body, table, caption, and TR. And under TR, what will come? Two things, TH and TD. So let's go under the TR and follow one TH and follow one TD. This is the basic structure what we have written inside the notes. Table, caption, TR, TH, and TD. One minute. Okay, so as per the table structure, what we wrote, first we require table, then caption, then TR, and then TH, and then TD. If we look into the file, we have follow the same thing. We have first call table, then caption, TR, TH, and TD. Now let's fill the data. Under the caption, you write, under the caption, you can write call customer details. Customer details. We'll write here call TH as a full name. Full name. Next, after that, you write here a name called Mr. Ganesh. Now you will find caption where it is going to come. We have to see TR, TH, TD, how it is going to generate. We have to see. So after writing that, let's add one more TR. Then we'll run and we'll identify where is the TH, how that look. Where is the TD, how that look. TH, mobile number, TD, something. Tags should open close properly. Important point. Ready? Run the page. Hope you have written. We can run this file and see. Caption is on the top. TH is little bold. TD is the normal text. Right? TH, this is the TH full name. So it's a bold. TD is normal. Mobile number is bold and mobile is normal text. Through property, now we can change the look and feel of the table. Okay, so check now. Table is coming in the left side. We can write here called align equal to center. So this same table will come in middle now. It will appear in the center. Same table will come in the center. Coming in center. CENTER. CENTER center. Okay. After that, write next property called border. 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 Give some number. 1, 2, 3. Check once. Give 1 first. Border is a 1. Border got applied. Hope is running for everyone. It should come in center and border got applied. But it looked like it is some child table. It is not having much look and feel. Apply the next property. Using property only we can change the appearance. Okay. Apply the next property. So what we discuss? We discuss align has the three value left, right, center. Border will help you to apply the border in the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inside outside. Now there is another property that is called cell padding. We have written cell padding. Okay, we have written cell padding used to apply the space inside the th and td. Now how that apply? Right here. CELLPADDING. Cell padding give somewhere 20. See, complete appearance of table will get changed. Cell padding give us a 20. Cell padding, how much? 20.
Align by default will be left or right.
Which one?
Align
Align.
by default will be left.
Align all the tags by default start from left side. All the HTML tags by default start from left side.
So we need only left side, so we don't need to put align left.
No, no, no. If you need left, then why align left? Why overload? So change. Look and feel got change. Check now. This is the table structure. Completely space got applied and look got changed. Now come down. Add some more field. Add some more tier. Let me check. Working or not working here? Yes, no. Table is working.
Yes,
Cool. Save the file. Control S. That's it. Yes, yes. So here already created another file. So still might be some. This is there. This piece is there. There you are, sir. Save desktop. Okay, next after that, let's add some more TR. We have given the customer what are the details, full name and mobile number. Add one more TR. Add one more TR. Write here TH. All city. City. Write the TD. Some city name you can add. Add one more TR. PH pin code. Something shape. You will see two more column row got added. Okay, save now. Refresh your page. See something like this. So in this table, how many rows we have? 4 rows and column. Clear. TH is called column and TD also called as a column. Okay. So when we say as a column word will come, it will point like either TH or TD. When we say row will point to what? TR. Okay. When we say add one more row, means we are going to add a TR. When we say add one more column, means depending on the condition, either TH or TD. Okay. Okay. Next, after that, border, how much you are given? 1. Border is 1 only, no? Give 30-40, see what is happening. Border you are written 1, give 20 or 30, see what will happen. Border becomes a 3D border, right? Suppose if you go here and 1 I have given, let me give it a 40. 1 pixel border will apply inside and remaining will go where? Outside. If you want to keep equal border inside also, outside also, HTML will say sorry, I have not such picture. You have to take the help from CSS and apply the border inside also and outside also. So let's see here. When we wrote as a 40, you can see it's look like this. Become as a border, become as a huge border from 40 pixel border. Okay. Next, caption you have written. Caption is coming how bigger? Very small. The font size is smaller. So using caption, what we are trying to represent. If a person will come to this page, he will open in browser. So caption will help him or not? Caption will help him. Caption after reading one line will understand, oh, this is a customer details. No need to read name, mobile number, age and all. Just only one eyes. Once one eyes will cross, he will understand, oh, it's a customer details page. Correct? So this is called as a caption. So inside the table, what is the use of caption? Caption used to create the headline of the table. Headline of the table. Now question is, you want a small caption, big caption, large caption, how bigger? Requirement, correct? So if you are saying, oh, it's the headline of the table, the headline should not be very small. Headline should be little big font size. Maybe yesterday or some days before we have learned H1 to H6. Yesterday also we have written the H1 tag, right? So here what we can do is now we can use the H1. Once we use the H1, customer details will come big font size. But again, problem is where to use the H1? Inside the caption or outside of the caption? Because you saw the table structure. In table what we have? Inside the table we have caption, then TR, TH and TD. There is no place of H1. Place is H1 is there? No. There is no H1. If I suppose I start the H1 before caption and I close the H1 after caption, it is 100% destructured. Your table is not a structured table. Okay, because table says like inside the table either caption or TR, inside the TR either TH or TD, nothing else. But our requirement says we have to increase the font size. No problem. We can go inside the caption. Inside the caption, we can open the H1. We can open the H1 here and we can close the H1 where? After the customer details. We can close the H1 here after customer details. Then definitely customer details will be the part of H1 and H1 will be the part of table. Sorry, caption. Caption will be the part. So it will follow all the rules. Your text also become font size and then it's not breaking the rule of the table as well.
So instead of HR, we can use some this font size as well.
We can use also font size, font colors, everything we have that also we can use.
In table, we can use link also.
We can use link also, but not inside the table directly, under the TH or TD. Like suppose there is a Bangalore. You can make Bangalore as a hyperlink. Okay.
So
So
in PS you get full name, sir. In TD, my name is there.
Hmm.
So if you click on that link, I will create a
your name put in hyperlink.
Yeah.
You have written no today go next, go back. So at the place of go next, go back, you put your name. So once someone will click on your name, it will go to the Facebook. Yeah, in Facebook, what is it? List of the people will come, right? Friend list. Click on any one name, it will go to their profile. That is also hyperlink only. Same HRE. If you click on their photo, it will go to their page. The photo also hyperlink. Many things we have, we are learning on that. Okay. So hope now customer details is coming big size. Look now. Customer details become a big font size. So this table, this is one structure of table. Where, in which condition we should use this table? In which condition we should use this table? This kind of table we should use in those conditions if you want to display the one record. One record. One record in the sense how many customer details you are printing? Only one. If you have one mango apple details, you can display like this. If you have one user details, you can display like this. If you have one product details, you can display like this. One laptop details, you can display like this. But 100 laptop details, you can't print like this. 100 user details, you can't print like this. You have to create different type of table. Okay. Different type of table. There also we are going to use the same TR, TH, TD only. But the structure of TR, TH will be different. We will be organizing it. Okay, so that we will see tomorrow. 11:20 you got already. Okay. So next, what I hope you are able to understand the points what we discussed today. Hyperlink and how many type of target? 7 types of target. In that one was called self, another one is called lamp. Remaining is under observation as of now. We will be discussing on that in few days once you become little more confident. Then you wrote the table. For table, what we wrote? For table we wrote how many tags? Table, caption, TR, TH, and TH. In that you have one align property, border property, self adding property. So like that we have total 10 properties we have in HTML. We have 10 properties. So tomorrow we will we'll add some more properties here, and based on that we'll create another file. There you will display the multiple user details. As of now you are displaying only one user details. So that table look like this. If you have multiple users, then how to display? Okay, so that will be the second table. Okay, based on 2-3 more property. Then we'll create one more table. There we will see the call span, row span. Like suppose you want to combine 2 column space together. You want to combine 2 rows space together. So that is row span, call span. Okay. So 3-4 example will create based on table. Then you will be comfortable. Okay. That is based on which one? First structure. We have second structure. There are some more extra tag will come. Here you have total 5 tag here, and in this table structure 2, 5 remain same, 3 more will get added. Okay, so total will become a total 8 tags. Based on 8 tags, you can follow both the table structure, first method and second. Okay, okay then we'll see you tomorrow. Videos is the matter. So how to give the videos is, see, tomorrow email ID everyone has given. Video I have uploaded on YouTube. Okay, everything is 2-3 videos was there. Let me see the folder. Including today there should be 4 videos. So 3 videos are there already. Okay, 4th video. This 3 video I have already uploaded on YouTube, but email permission is required. I was waiting for her response. Okay, so today guarantee email link will come. Okay, today link will come where? In your WhatsApp. I have asked us to create the group yesterday only, created round of. So today guarantee link will come. In that link, see, flow will be like this. Evening time somewhere, you will get the notification in WhatsApp. You add it in the group. Okay, maybe in daytime only she will add. After adding in the group, the videos are already uploaded. 3 video, 4th video will upload, and after that, as soon as will give the permission to your email ID, one email will come to your email. From where? From the YouTube. Okay. See, videos will not be private anywhere, public directly. Everyone cannot see. Only the particular person can see. So after adding your email ID, one email will come to your email that I will write in the where? In your group. Okay, WhatsApp group. I will write like one email has come from the YouTube. Please click on the link. So once the email will come, you will open the inbox. It will be written something. Click invitation, accept invitation. Click on that. It will redirect to where? YouTube channel. Okay. After redirecting to YouTube channel, I will give one link playlist in your WhatsApp group. Okay, that playlist will be always same. In the same playlist, all the videos will keep uploading daily. Okay, so daily, like suppose today we have, including today there is 4th video, right? So 4th, you will, once you open the URL, you will see HTML 1 video, 2, 1 video will play and 3 video will be in the right side. Similar way, all the video will come in the sequence. For all batches is happening the similar. Okay, so today evening guarantee email will come, link will come, you can follow it, and then from there you can start. After 2-3 more classes, after attending 2-3 more class, we'll give the assignment. As of now, label is not ready. Label will ready to do some assignment after 6 classes. Okay, after 6 classes, once you finish, then you can do some. Assignments are there in the system production website. I'll give you the access from there. Attend some more classes. Okay.